Hi everyone. Today we are going to see one more FANG interview questions which is most frequently asked. The question here is how to reverse a string in Python. And we are interested to not to just use an iterative loop and find the length of the string and traverse it backwards. Instead of doing that whole lot for loop, there is a single one-liner code to reverse a string. So how you are going to do it? So we'll have a look into it. So now first we need a string, right? So the string is my underscore string and I gave Python enthusiast as the string here. So I displayed the string. This is my original string. So my interest is how I'm going to find the reverse of a string using a single one liner. So I'm just trying to store the string in a reversed string variable. So this is how. And I need to make use of a my string and I need to give two square brackets, give two colons and give a minus one. This will reverse you the whole lot of the string and stores it back into reversed string. So let us display this for a better understanding or to check whether we got the exact reversed string or not. Okay. This is a simple one-liner code to reverse a string. Let us run this. Something wrong. Sorry, I missed a G. So let us run this. So this is my original string, Python enthusiasts. So once I gave this colon colon minus one, this got stored into reversed string. This is my reversed string. So this is how my reverse string appeared. So this is a simple one-liner code to reverse a string. So for more programs, please like and then subscribe to Python enthusiast. Thank you.